What's up, guys? So check this out. We got the Duramax in the background. That's the 3-liter Duramax 2021. Again, some Edge gear. I mean, you can't really tell with holding this from one hand, but this Edge shirt, super soft. It's actually the same material I got on these Scoba Motorsports shirts. And really, the whole reason you guys are watching this video today is, well, the Pulsar LT. Now, got a lot of questions about it, and like, what does it do? Why would you buy it? We're gonna find that out today on whether this is worth it or not. So, you know, I've sold quite a few of these already, and they just came out, and you know, they're on our website and everything. If you guys want to take a look at these when it's all done, when this video is all done. But I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed from what I know so far on these. I have not installed one yet. A lot of you guys have been buying them on the website, but I haven't had any customers right here just yet on the 3-liter Duramax to install these. So it's very simple, very straightforward, and it's pretty cool how it's integrated into your dash, where you can use a lot of the steering wheel controls to adjust the different things that this can do. And we'll go over that right now and why that matters. And we'll see. Is it worth it? Is it worth it for the money? I'm going to give you guys my honest, truthful answer, and as I always do. And yeah, let's do it. So we located the connector here, and you can see I already kind of did it, but that's to kind of show you guys the workings of it. So you'll pull this little red tab up, which is very common in any vehicle. Like almost all these safety tabs are on anything, you know, you just pull that back just a little bit. It doesn't come all the way off. And then you actually do something that's pretty different, you know, than older vehicles. Like, you get this entire piece here between my fingers, and that physically slides up, and the rest of this connector comes off with it. And that's just the way that it works. So I just want to show you guys that. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. So now it's our original connector. Now we got the one on the Pulsar. We're gonna plug this in down there, and we're gonna plug this guy in that I'm holding right there, and this pigtail is going to come off to this third connector and plug into the Pulsar LT. We're going to secure this guy, and that's it. I mean, as far as the install goes, everything else we're going to do from the seat of the truck, and that's it. That slid on like easy. Slid that pin in there. That was no big deal. Let's see if I can get you guys to come with me here. If this is a good angle, we will use this for the video. So we'll get to put these guys together. Slide that all the way in until you hear it click. Lock that locking pin in place inside that wheel right here. Slide this together. That's gonna click, and that's it. We're just gonna secure this right here. Probably put this on the top of the airbox and clean that off, and that's it. We're all good to go. Just want to show you guys real fast. I mean, that's as far as the wiring goes without securing anything. We're in. I don't know, it doesn't get any simpler than that. For those who do your own like oil change, this is 12 times faster than that. Let's throw a number at it. 12. It's all finished up. That's how we're gonna do it. You can watch other install videos if you guys want. You know, get your negative battery terminal put back on. We didn't talk about that in the beginning of the video. This isn't really so much of an install video, but it's so simple to do. I figured, why don't I include it for you guys? We'll go through a little bit of the features inside, and something that I think is kind of cool and important to some of the features of this, and we'll go from there. Hey guys, I just wanted to address this right away for you. I get a lot of questions from people like, why did my MPG drop so significantly? All I did was throw on 35s. Well, here's what it is right now. A lot of people do not know that when you put bigger tires on, yeah, you're going to lose a little MPG because they're bigger, heavier rotating mass, but you're also losing it because your speedometer is incorrect. And that reading comes into effect with a lot of things, with your how many miles per gallon you have, what your speedometer says, how many miles are getting put on the truck. You know, and you keep in mind stuff for your intervals for oil changes and stuff like that. So
it's important to have it correct, and it's important to a lot of people. So here's the difference, showing you that in a very, very short period of time, just in enough time to make a point for you guys, you can see on just going down a small stretch on a street that the instant miles per gallon is already just even a little bit different.
But we weren't even getting the correct readings. So this makes me feel a lot better, because it looks like the numbers are quite a bit different. And now this is going to look weird for you guys on camera, because like I said, you guys are looking at two different speedos. And you know, if this was something that like you guys really wanted to see scientifically, like I'd set up my phone with a GPS speed or a Garmin or EasyLink or something up here. But I'm just trying to make a point, and I don't know that the little details of like getting you those exact numbers of how much it's off matters to you, because everyone's different. Like, this is a 2-wheel drive truck. These are Nittos that like, they're almost like a 34. You guys are gonna have maybe 35s, like a wider tire. Like, these are pretty narrow. You know, there's gonna be differences and stuff like that. You guys might have a mud terrain, you might be higher inflated, you might have more weight. You guys might have like a ton more features and stuff like that that makes a big difference than what I have. So I just want to show you guys that like that does make an obvious difference in there. And you guys did get to see that we can, when this is all off, change the throttle sensitivity, which is super cool. Like, I'm very excited about that. That comes to like the whole thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about, and I'm gonna do something right here at the end of the video for you guys and do a comparison for you.
Hey guys, just want to show you something real quick. On the left, we got the speedometer calibrator by Rough Country. Hypertech makes their own. They're within $10 of each other. That's $259.95 right there. Right below it, on the left-hand side in the middle, we get the Pedal Commander. Pedal Monster is also the same price. You guys also know those products probably pretty well. And then the Auto Stop Eliminator gets rid of that auto stop start, so you don't have to hit the button. Again, a lot of you find value in these products. That's why the Pulsar LT has its place. And also keep in mind that the Pulsar LT does a lot more than all three products on the left do, and it does it all in one device. And again, you don't have anything to mount on the dash. You don't have anything to download on an app on the phone. Like, super simple, super easy. Your OBD2 port is free. So you can put in amp steps, whatever. Don't run a splitter. You can run like an Edge CTS3 display. You can run some of the other displays on the market that are awesome. So again, you're already going to start running that number on the left up almost towards, you could even argue, $1,000. I mean, whatever you want to throw that number at. And then the Pulsar LT is at $506.95. It's not bad. So it does have like a super strong value in this industry for what you get to do. And you get a lot of options with that. So I just want to show you guys kind of like a left and right side by side. Again, all three on the left do not even have close to the features the Pulsar LT does by itself. I just want to show you guys some of the specifications right here. This is on our website, ScovilleMotorsports.com. This is also on Edge's website. If you go to the features section, you're going to see toggle your auto stop start. You're going to be able to calibrate tire size, adjust throttle response. Those three things are what those three units that I just showed you on the left column, they do. Everything else underneath that, the gear ratio, top speed limiter, clearing diagnostic codes, the TPMS threshold, regen, relearn of the trans, adjusting your high idle. I mean, all those things right there, they don't get to apply to the three on the left, right? So that's where this unit even exceeds its value of those three individual units in itself. Now, all of this needs to, you need to find value in all of it, which I feel like is very easy to do. If you find value in all of these things, this is like literally the perfect product for you. You're super excited it came out, super stoked. And that's kind of what the whole point of this whole video is, to show you guys that like this thing is packed full of so many different features, and it's cool that you don't have to drill any holes, you don't have to mount it up anywhere. Like, nobody knows you have it in the truck, and it's just through the steering wheel controls, and it's very simple. They give you that little quick reference guide that you did see in the video, and if you just keep that card in your glove box or whatever, and you want to change things a couple months down the road, like you're not flipping through a manual, watching a YouTube video. Like, it's super straightforward, super easy to do. And that's it. That's all I want to show you guys. Sorry that this video is a little bit long, but here you go. You're looking at this. Please visit our website if you do want this product. We try to keep it in stock and get it to your door like ASAP. So anyways, guys, thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, please like, please drop me a comment down below. Like, am I doing a good job? You guys want to see more videos? Like, let me know what's up. And yeah, thank you.